Hi, my name is Natalie Narvaez. In this opportunity view, History ActionScript. Um, One program that started ActionScript is Future Splash. In 1993, Charlie Jackson has released Future Splash, a computer drawings software with drawing pen. In 1996, Micromedia backed Future Splash Animator and happened to be in Macromedia Flash version 1.0. ActionScript started as an object-oriented language for Macromedia Flash authoring tool in 1996 has created the first version with a validity of purchase. In 1997 has created Macromedia Flash Player 2. This version had characteristics of library, objects, vector, and other options. In May of the 1998 version 3 appeared with movie clips and generator manager X files. ActionScript manager variables and commands in version Flash 4.0 in 1999. In 2000, ActionScript had using XML and smart clips. Macromedia Flash MX introduced ActionScript 2.0 and starting language more used to the developer of Flash application. This is other position to save time the script sometimes writing the animating it which using alt enables and header labels of flexibility when editing. On 2005 is released Macromedia Flash 8 with basic tools to animate content movie, emulator, PNG and JPG image upload support. In 2007, ActionScript 3 version 3 has integration that Illustrator and Fireworks. In 1998, Adobe Flash CS4 contains basic 3D hardening, object properties, animation. On 2012 is released Adobe Flash CS6 that allow you for you to create animation, media, movies, and dress computer. Oh, sorry, computer apps, web page and video games. For finish this now, Flash Professional CC relays focused on premium video games, security and stability. So of the future in this releases include the following: recursive, recursive stop API and movie clip. This now finish activity history action script. Bye.